What if I told you there's a new action camera that could redefine how you capture your adventures? Imagine an action cam with a battery that lasts 50% longer than its predecessor, delivers stunning 4K footage, and fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is here. And it's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new experience. In this video, we're diving deep into every feature, every detail, and why this might just be the best action camera on the market today. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know if this is the camera that finally replaces your old gear. Design and build. First things first, let's talk design. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro continues the compact, rugged design that the Osmo series is known for, but with a few subtle refinements. The camera retains its signature dual-screen setup with a 1.4-inch front display, perfect for vlogging or selfies on the go. However, the rear touchscreen has been upgraded to a 2.25-inch OLED, offering better brightness and responsiveness, even in direct sunlight. This larger display makes navigating the camera's settings easier and reviewing your footage much more enjoyable. The body is crafted from high-quality materials that make it durable and water-resistant up to 10 meters without needing an external case. It's also shockproof and dustproof, designed to handle the toughest environments, whether you're mountain biking, surfing, or skiing. DJI has really thought about the adventurer in all of us, ensuring the camera is ready to withstand whatever you throw at it. Sensor and image quality. Now let's get into the heart of the camera, the sensor. The Osmo Action 5 Pro features a 1/1, 3-inch CMOS sensor, a significant improvement over its predecessor. This sensor is paired with an f2, 8 aperture and a 155 degrees field of view, FOV, capturing more of your surroundings in every shot. This setup is perfect for wide-angle shots, whether you're filming landscapes or fast-paced action. What does this mean for you? Crisp, clear images even in low-light conditions. The larger sensor size allows for better light intake, reducing noise in darker environments and making your nighttime adventures look just as good as your daytime exploits. With the Osmo Action 5 Pro, you're getting 4K resolution at 60 fps, ensuring every frame is packed with detail. There's also a slow-motion mode that shoots at 120 fps in full HD, ideal for capturing those high-speed moments with incredible clarity. Battery life and performance. One of the standout features of the Osmo Action 5 Pro is its battery life. DJI has managed to squeeze in a battery that's 50% more powerful than the one in the Action 4. With this upgrade, you can expect up to 4 hours of continuous shooting on a single charge, a huge leap from the previous model. This extended battery life means less worrying about recharging and more time capturing your adventures. Whether you're out for a full day of shooting or just need a reliable backup, the Action 5 Pro has you covered. In terms of performance, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is equipped with the latest processor, which not only enhances image quality, but also improves overall camera responsiveness. The faster processing speed allows for quicker boot times, faster photo capture, and smooth 4K video recording without any lag. Plus, the integration of Wi-Fi 6 ensures that transferring your footage to your devices is quicker than ever, a critical feature for those who want to share their adventures immediately. Stabilization and video features. Action cameras are all about capturing smooth, steady footage, no matter the conditions. The Osmo Action 5 Pro shines in this department with its updated Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization. This technology ensures that even the roughest rides result in buttery smooth footage. Whether you're running, jumping, or skiing, your videos will remain steady and watchable, making the Action 5 Pro an excellent choice for high adrenaline activities. DJI has also included its 360 degrees horizon steady feature, which keeps your horizon level even when the camera is tilted. This is particularly useful for capturing dynamic scenes where maintaining a level horizon is challenging, such as when you're biking down a steep trail or catching waves. Additionally, the camera supports DJI Mic 2 integration, which significantly enhances audio recording capabilities. This means clearer, more professional quality sound, whether you're narrating your footage or capturing the ambient sounds of your environment. User experience and connectivity. DJI has focused on making the Osmo Action 5 Pro as user-friendly as possible. The interface is intuitive, with easy access to all the camera's settings via the touchscreen. For those who prefer hands-free control, voice commands are supported, allowing you to start and stop recording, switch modes, and more with simple voice prompts. Connectivity options include the latest Bluetooth and Wi-Fi standards, making it easy to pair the camera with your smartphone or other devices. The DJI Mini app offers a seamless way to control the camera remotely, view your footage, and make quick edits before sharing. The app has been refined to work perfectly with the Osmo Action 5 Pro, providing an all-in-one solution for managing your content on the go. Additional features. There are a few more features that make the Osmo Action 5 Pro stand out. Precision tracking is one of them. This allows the camera to lock onto a subject and keep it in focus, no matter how much movement there is. This feature is especially useful for action sports, where the subject is constantly moving. Another exciting addition is the waterproof external microphone option, allowing for even better audio capture in wet conditions. This could be a game changer for anyone who films near water or in rain and wants to maintain high audio quality without risking their equipment. Conclusion. So, is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro worth your attention? Absolutely. With its enhanced battery life, improved image quality, advanced stabilization, and a host of other new features, it's clear that DJI has put a lot of thought into making this camera a top contender in the action camera market. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a vlogger, or someone who just wants to capture life's moments in stunning detail, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is designed to deliver. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance action camera that can keep up with your most demanding activities, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is definitely worth considering. It's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new level of action camera, ready to capture your world in a way that's easier, more powerful, and more fun than ever before. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want more in-depth reviews like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you think about the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.